Hello, my dear students. Students, on your demand, I made one more video of conjunctions according to a book Cornerstone, right? Now, chapter number 23, as you can see here. Now, this is the first thing which we need to do. Circle the correct joining word from those given in the brackets. So you have to join this. This we will do in a classwork activity. Now, first let me explain you about conjunction. A conjunction is a word that is used to join group of words or sentences. A conjunction that is used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal importance is called as coordinating conjunction. So actually students ये conjunctions होता क्या है? Conjunctions join together sentences and often make them more compact. Thus, okay, like example, you can say that God made the country and man made the town. तो यहाँ पे दो independent sentences है. God made the country, one sentence, and other sentence. Now forget about or and there. Man made the town. Who made the town? Man made the town. So God made the country. This is one of the independent sentences. Okay, so this is the independent sentences, and who made the town? Man made the town. This is also one of the independent sentences. यानी अगर ये सेंटेंस को जोड़ा ना भी जाए तो भी ये सेंटेंसेस एक सेंस दे रहा है, राइट? बट we don't want that. We don't want to use two sentences separately. We want to use one sentence only. So for that, students, we need to add one conjunction word. Now look at my this, just hear my audio. God made the country and man made the laws. ठीक है. सो ये जो दो सेंटेंसेस अलग अलग थे अब वो एक ही सेंटेंस बन गया. कैसे बन गया? How we made two sentences into one sentences. Okay, we have deducted two sentences into one sentences by adding a conjunction word, that is and. Correct? Now look at this, students, as we have seen here. See, now Ram as well as Ali has volunteered. So ऐसे भी बोल सकते थे Ram has volunteered or Ali has volunteered, but we are using only one sentences, that is as well as. Be careful or else you may have an accident. ओके, सावधान रहो, और else मतलब नहीं तो एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा. बी केयरफुल. ओके, सो और else you may have an accident. So thus in this as well as and or else is a conducting coordinating conjunctions or it is only a conjunction word जो दो sentences को इधर जोड़ रहा है. Now please go through this table which is very important. Conjunctions, function and example. Look at some of the example. You must run or you will miss the bus. तुम दौड़ लगाओ, दौड़ना चाहिए, नहीं तो बस मिस हो जाएगा. नहीं तो जैसे हिंदी में भी we use the words ना, शब्द. You must run or you will miss the bus. What is the conjunction word here? Or. He is brilliant but he is shy. तो अगर हम लोग इसको भूल जाओ, if we will add only he is brilliant, ये भी एक खुद में एक अच्छा सेंटेंस है. Complete sentence it is, right? Or he is shy. This is also complete sentences, but the problem is we want only one sentence. So for that we need to add one conjunction word. But he is brilliant but he is shy. वो brilliant तो है लेकिन वो बहुत शर्माता है. Shy मतलब शर्माना, right? Now come to this previous page again. Now I told you what all is conjunction. Simple, what is conjunction? Now I will be telling you what do you mean by coordinating conjunction. You have to pronounce it as coordinating. A conjunction that is used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal importance is called as coordinating conjunction. So if I tell in my own definition, the sentence contains two independent statements or two statements of equal rank or importance, right? Hence the conjunction joining together these two statements or clauses of equal rank is called coordinating conjunction. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग मतलब ही होता है इक्वल रैंक का, इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस का, बस उसको हम लोग ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, एज सिंपल एज दैट. ओके, सो अ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन जॉइंस टू together clauses of equal rank. Clauses means which have, subject and a verb. Okay, so that is a different part which I will teach you, or you can watch my videos. Okay, so so coordinating conjunction में क्या होता है? Examples would be and, but, for, or, nor, also, either, or, neither, nor. ठीक है, now come to this page, guys. Let me turn the page. Now you can see here page number 142. Now see, I was tired yet I watched the show. हम थके हुए थे फिर भी हम ये शो वॉच किए. The soldiers were struggling, nevertheless they refused to give up. Okay, so the soldiers were struggling, फिर भी वो लोग मतलब कि सरेंडर नहीं किए. सरेंडर, हार नहीं माने. I was livid, still I kept quiet. Okay, so still, so these all highlighted sentence words are coordinating conjunctions. It's very important, guys. Okay, now again one more. Now look at these sentences. I told you these all are examples of coordinating conjunctions only, like either or. Either buy a book or buy a toy. Either के साथ we pronounce it as either, not either. Either. Okay, या तो तुम बुक खरीदो या तो you buy, या तो बुक खरीदो या तो टॉय खरीदो. Okay, either you go there or you come here, और यहाँ you see this page number, guys, this page number. Neither nor. Okay, if my camera is clear to you. Neither nor. Not only but also, such that, no sooner than, not only but also. So you have to, I have written here. Okay, it is a mark, just read. You have to just read it and go through the rules and regulation, right? Now come on to this page, students, page number 144, a court is. Conjunction doesn't only mean joining two independent sentences. Conjunctions also means joining two dependent sentences. I told you what would be the opposite of independent, dependent. Look at this. The conjunction in each case joins two statements, one of which is dependent on the other. मतलब एक सेंटेंस दूसरे सेंटेंस पे निर्भर है, कंप्लीट नहीं है. Some of the common conjunctions are in this category are after, before, unless, although, it, until. So these all sentences are now. Conjunctions are also used in joining two independent sentences to make it, independent or a complete sense. Conjunction, if, unless. Example, if you work hard, you will win the prize. अगर हम ये बोलते हैं, see, I'm covering it with my scale, and if I'm telling you, if you work hard, तो हाँ ठीक है, इफ़ यू वर्क हार्ड, तो आफ्टर दैट वॉट? इफ़ यू वर्क हार्ड, अगर तुम अच्छा वर्क हार्ड करते हो तो तुमको प्राइस मिल जाएगा. अगर हम खाली ये बोले अगर तुम वर्क हार्ड करते हो, तो ये मेरा सेंटेंस हिंदी में भी इनकम्प्लीट है, राइट? सो इन द इंग्लिश ऑल्सो दिस सेंटेंस वुड बी इनकम्प्लीट, बट हाउ आई एम मेकिंग इट कंप्लीट बाय एडिंग if you work hard, comma, you will win the prize. Unless you finish your work, you cannot watch television. जब तक वर्क फिनिश नहीं हो जाता है, you cannot you cannot watch the television. Now look at these sentences: before, after, till, when, whenever, while. So you have to read this. And when you will have a habit of reading, students, automatically you will get that rules and regulations of conjunctions, right? Students, one more thing, when if is used, if कब use होता है? When we use on the condition or supposition that, जहाँ पे हम लोग शर्त लगाते हैं ना, condition. Example, if he is there, I shall see him. अगर वो है तो हमको उसे मिलना चाहिए. Okay, if that is so, I am content. अगर ये बात है तब तो हम ठीक, खुश है, satisfied है. Content means satisfied. So if is used for that only, right? So guys, I have explained you all about conjunctions. You need to learn the conjunctions. Okay, watch this video part 1 and watch that video also, which I made a lengthy video based on all the 3 types of conjunction: coordinating, subordinating, or correlative conjunctions. It will be very useful once you step into 7th or 8th standard, right? Thank you and have a very nice day.